Hey guys, Jeff here, just going to give you the lowdown on these little Wago connectors. I really have fallen in love with these. Use them all the time in a variety of settings. Instead of doing wire nuts and other type of connections, I have two different styles of wire here. I've got the copper solid, and I also have some copper stranded. In both cases, what's great about these little Wago connectors is that they give you a real positive lock on them. This is a dual one, and basically you're just going to slip and insert that piece of stripped wire into that. Once you lock that down, you can be hard pressed to pull that off. Obviously, you can do kind of the same thing with the wire nut, but not, to me, nearly as convenient. And the same thing. So two different styles of wire, same connector. You can see that they're connected just fine inside there, but the lever allows you to then really quick just basically pull those off just as fast as you put them on. No twisting the wire. And where this really is going to come in play is if you have different gauge wire. These are both 12. This is 12 solid, 12 stranded. But if you had, and these will go up to 12 gauge and down to 22 or 23, and allow you to put those in the same connector without any trouble. But where you're going to really appreciate these is inside of a box and you're running out of space. Something like this, if you're just making a junction box and you need to maybe tie all your commons together, or you just need to extend a wire. I really like this one, this inline, kind of like a butt splice, if you will. Put it on one end like that, and simply goes together like that. And so now I've got two pieces of wire that are put together, and again, you'd be really hard pressed to pull those apart. So anyway, and that'll save you a ton of room inside of a box. If you were inside of a box and you had to bring these both together in under a wire nut, and you had to do this and tie them, and then one wire goes up and one wire goes down, you wind up losing a lot of space. So ultimately, this Wago connection set gives you a variety of connectors. This one's a butt cut, kind of a butt splice. You can do 3 wires, 2 wires. I think this one goes up to 5 or 6. Yeah, 5 it looks like. Yeah, 5 connections inside of there, and they're rated up to 600 volts. They're really solid little connectors. So if you're in the market and want to try something different, highly recommend that you give this brand a shot.